The Savings Curator has had a huge makeover this year. We listened to your feedback and polled anything we weren't sure of, so it really was a team effort to bring this feature to life. This feature has been redesigned to help you spend and save more mindfully throughout the year. When you're attempting to save for something, you might have a tendency to focus exclusively on how you can reduce your expenses or how you can increase your income. I personally tend to fall in the latter category. The Savings Curator encourages you to look at both avenues so that you can maximize your saving potential. Step 1 is to set a savings goal for the year and your reasons for saving. There's also space to set a deadline, which can help you stay focused and accountable. Here are some examples. I want to save $10,000 by the 30th of June 2022 for a new car. I want to save $20,000 by the 31st of December 2022 for a house deposit. Step 2 is to brainstorm practical ways you can increase your income and reduce your expenses. You can see here that we've carved out space for you to do that. You can list ideas and do some quick sums in the blank space to add up how much you could make. In terms of increasing your income, you might sell your clothes on eBay, sell old furniture on Marketplace, freelance, pick up extra shifts. In terms of reducing your expenses, you might cancel subscriptions that you no longer use and set limits on non-essential expenses. When you're brainstorming ideas, just make sure that you keep them realistic. For example, picking up more shifts might sound really good in theory, but just consider the roll-on effect of that. The last thing you want to do is burn out and compromise your well-being in the process. If you turn to the next few pages, you'll see that we've included income and expense trackers for January through to December. The reason why we've included this is because in the polls that we did, many of you said that your income varies from month to month. With the monthly income and expense trackers, you have a more accurate overview of your income and expenses each month. Step 3 is to set a monthly target. Your target and your reasons for saving might be the same each month, but setting the intention and writing it down can encourage more mindful spending. You're more inclined to think twice about certain expenses if that goal remains top of mind. Step 4 is to log your income and expenses as they occur. For larger expenses like rent and car registration, it might be easier to log them immediately, whereas for expenses like groceries and eating out and petrol, it might be easier to wait until the end of the month, go through your statements and log them then. You might also like to categorize your expenses. So for example, one category could be beauty, and that would include getting your nails done and getting your hair done. Step 5, calculate your monthly total by subtracting total monthly expenses from total monthly income. This is how much you have saved this month. For example, if your total monthly expenses work out to be $3,000 and your total monthly income works out to be $5,000, then you would have saved a total of $2,000. Step 6, subtract your monthly savings goal from your monthly total, so the amount that you've actually saved. This will tell you if you have achieved, exceeded, or fallen short of your monthly target. For example, you might have saved $2,000, but if your monthly target was $2,500, this means you are $500 short of your monthly target. In this scenario, you would log -500 at the bottom of your monthly tracker. Now, of course, this is still an awesome effort, but it is worth reflecting on whether A, it was an unrealistic target, or B, you could have reduced certain expenses or increased your income. That's exactly what the first page of the Savings Curator is there for. It's a great way to kick off your savings plan, but it's also great to come back to when you find yourself falling short of your savings target. Lastly, don't forget to track your progress by shading in the progress bar. You might like to divide your goal by 10 and write those amounts in each block so that it's easier for you to track and shade in. This visual display of your progress will add an extra layer of motivation and keep you on track to achieving your 2022 savings goal.